Yeah. Hey guys, here with Project 120X3. We're doing more testing, development. We're going to the track. Silver Lake's finally opening this weekend. But as you can see, it's our 150 model, pretty basic. No kidding. So we got an M-Tron in here. We got some nitrous that we might test down the road. Just kind of getting all in the ECU, and this is a dry shot system in the intercooler pipe. Pretty basic, but we'll have the ECU do the rest of the control for it. It's got an M-Tron dash now, M-Tron keypad that allows us to do more control directly communicating with the ECU. It has a prototype fuel pump. I'm not going to say a whole lot about it, but it's a brushless pump. Fits in the factory tank with the factory housing. We're running M5 VP, M5 methanol in it. It's still our WS300 turbo. It's our XR42. We're running at like between 48 and 52 pounds of boost right now with it. It's on a 2020 CNR intercooler. We are actually developing a drag race intercooler for this thing. So what we did notice is with a lot of power, the core density and its thickness will inhibit the ability for it to flow a large volume of air. This is kind of like, you know, a recommended max width for the fan to be able to dissipate heat from this really well. So it works damn good in the right situation, but we're gonna put a 4.5 inch thick CNR core on it. Change up some other things a little bit. But obviously, you know, titanium exhaust, titanium intercooler piping. We got 6 injectors in it, 2 per cylinder. We have a set of 1700s as our primary, and then 2150s is our secondary set. It's a STM Rage 4 HD clutch with the brace. Running G-Boost belts at the moment. Pretty much stock transmission. We are testing our valve spring package. Converts the system from a hydraulic bucket to a solid bucket. It has some DCR camshafts, like a real basic camshaft grind. So so far, yesterday we did testing on the same belt, did probably 6 pulls. Made 384, 391, 394, 393, 395. So just kind of getting the tune in a little bit. The camshafts changed the tune a little bit. But yeah, I mean, we're going to try to hit over 400 today. I think it'd be quite a feat on this intercooler, to be honest, based off what we did on some other testing. So that new intercooler is being made and will be offered. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, it's a, you know, simple-ish build. I mean, it might look complex to some, but we tried to really make it pretty simple. So, you know, in the future, once this is ironed out and consistent, especially in the clutching, once we learn enough about the clutching to make the belts live, I mean, this would be a viable package for someone to buy. They obviously wouldn't need the crazy nitrous or airlock clutch. They can do a lot with less in terms of that. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing fired up and warmed up and try to make a pull over 400 today with a new belt on it. So we'll see what happens.